Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are opening the first of the Sailor Moon boxes. Yeah. I hope you will like it, and I hope you like my kind of themes I've been doing. The One Piece, and now I'm doing the Sailor Moon ones, but yeah, I will keep coming back and doing Goddess Story boxes and also other waifu boxes to variate the content, and I hope you like it. So yeah, this box, yeah, quite a few packs in it. Let's see. Otherwise, not much of a box, but yeah, still pretty nice box. Yeah, let's see. So 3, 6, 7, 11. Oh yeah, one hit pack and 10 ordinary packs. So yeah, quite a few packs considering how the box looked. So yeah, I opened this one once before, but yeah, I don't remember how many cards and such there is in this one. So what do you think about Sailor Moon? I always liked Sailor Moon for some reason, even way back in the, I don't know, maybe even back as the 80s. Oh yeah, only one card? No, 2 cards per pack. Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, nice card. Don't you think? Nice coloring, and yeah, nice art, I think. Very, very shiny card. Rainbow foil all over. It's the same, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I think they're pretty beautiful, all the Sailor Moon girls. Yeah, I think change that one. I also collect video games, and actually one of especially Mega Drive, and one of my top game to get that I want to get is the Sailor Moon game on the Mega Drive. Very, very expensive game. I think only came out in Japan. So yeah, it's look pretty fun game. Fighting game, kind of like Street of Rage. A little bit different from other cards I open. A bit more, how to say, yeah, I don't know the word right now because of that, but yeah, it is, yeah, same rarity. but more cartoony, I think, than the others. Yeah, I don't remember how many different rarities, but yeah, should be something more than these two. If not, I'd be disappointed. But yeah, you have the hit pack, but yeah, something more, I hope. Yeah, here we have something new. Yeah, that's different. Rounded edges on all the other cards, but yeah, not on this one. So yeah, I wonder why. Maybe it's a puzzle piece. Kinda. Yeah, it should. Is it the same? So you are. No, this is a different rarity. Yeah, of course, a puzzle piece. Yeah, very interesting. A pair of legs. Yeah, I wished for something else, so yeah, I got something. Think something new again, maybe? Yeah, this same. Yeah, this is new. Yeah, like the goddess story, the shattered glass or ice foil to it. Oh. Something new, I think. Felt like, yeah, thicker cards. Something new. Let's see. Huh. Yeah, very glittery. Kind of cool. All the windows is the glittery one. Yeah, this. Yeah, a bit. You know how I feel about these darker cards, but kind of cool anyway. But yeah, it should have been a bit lighter. Very much same, but yeah, still nice cards. Good quality to them. Bit different style. I have another box I plan on opening pretty soon. Yeah, this also puzzle piece, I guess. No? Strange as... Oh, yeah, different color, but yes, the straight edges. Yeah, pretty nice card, nice foil. Let's see. Yeah, kind of more traditional style, not as sexy waifu, but still a waifu cards, I think. I like them because yeah, it's nice with, like, you know, by now I like the variation, and so yeah, that's kind of fun to open something different. And yeah, so see-through plastic card. This, yeah, same as that one. And see what we get here. So yeah, not any sexy card in this box, but still good quality and nice artwork and such. So yeah, I kind of like them. A thick card, blue border. Oh, this a little bit heavy. And numbered 10 out of 222. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah, acrylic card. This raised one with the kind of thick card. Yeah, pretty nice card. So, what did you think about this box? What's your favorite card? I don't know which one I like the most. A little bit, yeah, I don't know if maybe that one or that one, I think. Yeah, I hope you like my video, that you comment and subscribe, and yeah, I see you in the next video. Thank you.